Okay, peace in to begin. Today, I just wanted to show you something simple trick. If there's anything that you have, say you want to make a base for, like for example, this Godzilla, I just wanted to make sort of a bust of, so it looked like it was, coming up out of the water. If I were going to be sort of lazy, I would just take a square, right, and make a base like that. But, for the sake of presentation, you want to have a little more fun with something, I'm going to show you what I do. Uh, just grab the Scribble tool, and then I'm going to make a simple pattern. I'm going to make it look like water. We're going to make it go like Godzilla's moving forward and he's pushing water, so we want it going from up to down, from forward to back, sweeping downwards. I was looking on Twitter, and Tinkercad was talking about the Scribble tool. They wanted people to show people things that they use the Scribble tool for. So I'm doing this just, to show one way to use it. Like I say, if you want to whip out a quick base for for any sort of project, here we go. See how that got here. So then let's tighten it up a little bit with the eraser part. You see how I just selected the eraser here? You make a couple quick cuts into it, because most of the stuff, when you use the Scribble tool, it's very hard to get a sharp edge. And, with waves, we want them to look a little bit sharp. I don't know, like that's, let's see. All right. Let's lengthen that a little bit, and then let's cut it. I always like to cut anything I make with the Scribble tool and give it a harder edge, because I want it to lay flat, as flat as possible on the work plane. Okay. So rotate it. Rotate it. Let's lengthen it. Let's expand it. And there it is. Okay. Now, beforehand, I had made this with another pattern. It was, just trying to make the wake of Godzilla within the waves. Used the same technique. So it just adds a little bit more to it. A little bit more for the eye to look at. Okay, there it is. Something to do with the Scribble tool. Peace out till the next time.